So guys, welcome to Rayan's books collection. We are today, if you have my this book Tinkle Digest, if you have a copy like this, read along with me. So there are 70 stories in this. So we will read the full. We will read a snoring adventure. Kur kur cuts cuts tut tut shoo shoo. Hey Sanju, what's that? asked Gore. Kur kur cut cut tut tut shoo. Uncle Mera's pump. Not that this time. Come, let's find out, said Corey. Kur kur cut cut tut tut shoo. It's Mama Ji, said Sanju. We'll never get any sleep if he keeps on snoring so loudly. Let's carry him out to the veranda. Kur kur. Kur kur cut cut tut tut shoo shoo. Now back to bed. We must get up early to move him back before Amma gets up. Just before dawn. Wake up, Korev. Let's go. Where's Mama Ji? He has been kidnapped. Why would anyone kidnap him? Buzz buzz. Hear that sound? It must be Mama Ji. Like this, it was blowing so loudly. No, it's not. It's the Chowkidar. Wake up, wake up. Whoa. Where's Mama Ji? Mama Ji? Ah, yes. It's like he was snoring so loudly I couldn't sleep. So what did you do? I took him and left him in front of Tamia Dobi's house. Come on then, let's go to him. When they reached Tamia Dobi's house, I swear I left him right here, but he's not here. If you left him here, where is he now? I'll ask Damia. Have you seen Mama Ji? Who's Mama Ji? Our Mama Ji. I left Mama Ji over there in his bed. So it was you who left that monster here, monster? Yes, he made such a fearful noise that my donkey started shouting too. So I dragged the bed away and put it in front of Rahim's shop. Oh no. Come on, let's go to Rahim's shop. When they approached Rahim's shop, beat him, no paint his face black, hand him over to the police. What's going on? They have got a thief. A thief? Kore looks, there's Mama Ji. Thank God he's safe. Kur kur cut cut. Take him to the police jockey. How did they catch the thief? The whole lane was awakened by a strange sound, and so everybody ran out of their houses to see what was happening. And so this thief coming out of Rahim Babu's house. But what was the strange sound they heard? That toot toot shoo shoo. Who is snoring savior? Yes, who is he? Kur kur cut cut tut tut shoo shoo. He is our Mama Ji, and it's time to take him home. The boys kept Mama Ji in his room and dressed back to their beds. What an adventure! That too so early in the morning. Soon both boys were asleep, but not for long. Get your lazy bones! What a lovely quiet night it has been. Kore and Sanju looked at each other, and then, hey, what's this? The boys gave their Mama Ji a big hug. So always the no more moral. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe or like this video.